Hi everyone, here is this week's McCombs Minute Work From Home edition. You guys, I thought yesterday was Thursday, and then I got so excited because I thought today was Friday. Oh my gosh, being inside has messed with my brain. Please send help. I hope you guys are doing well. All right, let's get to the news. Assistant Professor of Finance Sam Kruger was featured on Fox 7's Good Day Austin morning show discussing his and John Griffin's recent research about the cause of the housing bubble. Jeff Johans was featured in Bloomberg in a story about internal decisions at accounting firm PwC, and Johnny Butler's recent op-ed about the reasons for recent racial unrest is featured in the Sun newspaper. And in our big ideas, now this new piece of research speaks directly to me and my generation. I'm probably aging myself, but I was of the generation that was forced to clean her plate at dinner. Well, new research from Raj Raghunathan says that idea of not wasting food can backfire on public health. You can read more about that in the link below. In the McCombs calendar, a conversation with Southwest Airlines CEO Gary Kelly is coming up, so be sure to sign up and check out more virtual events in the link below. That's this week's McCombs Minute Work From Home edition. Have a great rest of your week, everybody.